If you're a pool owner, you know how crucial it is to keep your pool liner in great condition. A quality liner can last 10 to 20 years, but with proper care, you can make it last even longer. Hey everyone, welcome back to USA Pool Shop. Today, we're sharing 7 easy tips to extend the life of your pool liner and avoid expensive replacements. Let's jump in. Tip 1. Maintain proper pool chemistry. Balanced chemicals are essential. High chlorine can wear out vinyl quickly. Always dilute shock in a bucket before adding it to ensure even distribution. Tip 2. Add chemicals individually. Don't mix them all at once. Let each chemical circulate fully to prevent concentrated spots that could harm the liner. Tip 3. Remove sharp objects from your pool area. Keep branches, rocks, and debris out to avoid punctures. Clean up regularly for a safe swimming space. Tip 4. Be cautious with pets in your pool. Claws can tear the liner, and pet dander can disrupt water balance. If your pet swims, keep a close eye on them. Tip 5. Vacuum your pool regularly. Skim debris, vacuum the floor, and empty filters to prevent stains and catch problems early. Tip 6. Use a winter cover. In colder climates, cover your pool during the off-season to protect it from snow, ice, and freezing temperatures. Tip 7. Monitor your water level. Sudden drops could indicate leaks. Address them quickly with a patch kit or leak sealer to prevent major damage. Ready to get started? Visit USAPoolShop.com to shop patch kits, leak sealers, winter covers, and all your pool needs. Follow us on social media for more pool tips, deals, and fun. If this was helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe for more pool maintenance videos and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.